Ready?
Ready.
Piedra, papel o tijera. 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 Piedra, papel o tijera.
Fatality.
But I want to get this prank done. It's gonna be so funny. I cannot wait. Here it goes. I feel so bad for this teddy. I don't know how much to take out. I'm gonna take out as much as I can. Heavy, can you see me?
Hey! What? Touch me! The fuck?
What is that thing?
It's moving!
Moving?
It moved!
A moon?
It moved!
What's that move?
Like one of us. Oh! He's alright. Talk to me.
Really, nigga?
Ah!